Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to crochet this adorable mini bear keychain. It's super cute and perfect as a gift, bag charm, or just a sweet little companion. This project is beginner friendly and a great way to practice working in the round and making tiny amigurumi parts. If you're new, don't worry. I'll guide you through every step with lots of tips and encouragement. So grab your yarn and hook, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any cute creations. Let's get started. Let's begin with the legs. We'll make 2 legs starting with the first one. Round 1, start with a magic ring and crochet 6. Single crochet into the ring, 6. Tip, pull the ring tight to close the center nicely. You're doing great already, keep going. Round 2, SC ink, X3. That means 1 single crochet, then an increase. Repeat this 3 times around. You'll now have 9 stitches. 9. Awesome job. You just finished the first leg. Fasten off the first leg and set it aside for now. We won't fasten off the second leg. Now let's crochet the second leg just like the first one. Round 1, magic ring 6, single crochet 6. Round 2, SC ink X3 9. Don't fasten off this time. We'll continue directly into the body from here. Great work. Now let's connect the legs together. Round 3, crochet 18 single crochet around both legs, 9 from the second leg and 9 from the first leg. 18. Tip, make sure the feet are facing forward when joining. You've just connected the legs. The body is coming to life. Round 4, under 2 SC, ink, X6, that means 2 single crochet, then an increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times, you should now have 24 stitches. 24, look at that cute little tummy starting to form. Tip, place a stitch marker at the beginning of your round to keep track. Rounds 5 and 6, simply do 24 single crochet around. 24, you're cruising along now, nice and steady. Tip, keep your tension even so the shape stays round and neat. Round 7, 5 single crochet. In the next stitch, make a cluster stitch. Yarn over, draw up a loop 4 times, 4 unfinished double crochet. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on the hook. That's 1 cluster. 12 single crochet, repeat the same cluster stitch. 5 single crochet to finish the round, 24 stitches total. This adds the tiny bear arms. How cute is that? Don't worry if the clusters feel tricky. Just go slow. You've got this. Rounds 8 to 11, 24 single crochet around for each round. 24. You're almost done with the body. Keep it up. It's really starting to look like a bear now. Round 12, 2 SC, dec, X6. That's 2 single crochet, then a decrease. Repeat that 6 times, you'll end up with 18 stitches. 18. Tip, use invisible decreases to keep the shape nice and smooth. You're doing amazing. Now pause here to stuff the body firmly with fiber fill. Make sure it's nice and plump, but not overstuffed. Round 13, SC, des, X6. That's 1 single crochet, then a decrease repeated 6 times. You'll have 12 stitches. 12. Round 14, des X6. That's 6 decreases in a row. You should now have 6 stitches. Reg 6. Fasten off and use a yarn needle to weave in the end and close the hole. Great job, the body is done. Let's crochet the ears. We'll make 2 of them. In a magic ring, crochet 6 single crochet. Don't join. Just pull the ring tight and fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Make 2 ears like this. Then sew them to the sides of the head around rounds 3 to 4 of the bear's head. Tip, pin the ears first to get even placement before sewing. Now it looks like a real mini bear. And that's it. Your adorable mini bear keychain is complete. You did such an amazing job. I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cute and cozy crochet tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you want to make next. Until then, happy crocheting.